How to fix the issue with Cash App not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Cash App application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards the setting of your device, and from the setting, you need to choose the option of applications. Once you do so, navigate to find the Cash App application. Once you click on it, you will be heading towards the setting of that application. There, you will see the option of storage and cache. Simply click on it. After that, you need to choose the option of clear cache, as sometimes collected cache of the application can affect its performance. The next option is to update the Cash App application. To head towards Apple Store or simply Google Play Store if you're an Android device and update Cash App application. After that, now the last step is to try uninstalling the application Cash App and reinstall it. So simply click on the icon and click on Remove App. Now choose the option of Delete App. Then after you can head towards the Apple Store again and install the Cash App application. Then after try logging in with your account credentials, and then you will see that your problem has been solved. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Cash App application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.